So in this video, we're going to be discussing our natural state of being. So we're going to talk about what is our natural state of being, how do we return back to it, what is stopping us from experiencing it. So our natural state of being is innocence. Our natural state of being is calmness, peace. To return back to it is not to try to create peace, to try to create this sense of innocence. Our natural state of being is a sense of love. But it's not to try to create love, to try to create compassion. We have this idea that if we want to experience these things, we need to try to act that way. But trying to act that way means that we are not looking at what is blocking our natural state of being. We are just trying to act natural. And when we try to act, we will continue to do just that. We will always be trying. But it will never be natural, because when something is natural, there is no trying. So when we realize that our natural state of being is innocence and peace, we stop trying to act that way, and we will work on removing what is blocking it. We remove what is blocking it from showing up, from being experienced. You know, when you look at a child and you notice that children are very innocent, children are at peace. Yes, they will cry and they'll make noises. But if you look at them, you find that there's not an internal battle on the inside. They are not purposely trying to hurt other people. If they did so, it's by accident, it's by unknowing. It is a conscious act of doing so. But as they grow up, that sense of peace starts to go away. And it goes away because something is covering it. This thing that is covering it is blocking it from being experienced. And this thing, we have different names for it, but this way of being, this energy, this emotion, we call fear. Because when we look at our natural state, as some people would have heard, is love, peace. Therefore, on the other end is fear and all the other emotions that are characteristics of fear, like anger and sadness and guilt. So when we start to become fearful, we cover our natural state. So therefore, if we want to experience our natural state, we don't try to act in all of these ways. We instead remove what is covering it, what is blocking it.